Ingredients preparation. Gather ingredients such as lentils, chickpeas, tomatoes, onions, celery, parsley, coriander, and spices like cumin, cinnamon, and ginger. Saute aromatics in a pot. Saute finely chopped onions, celery, and garlic until softened. Add spices. Stir in ground cumin, cinnamon, and ginger to enhance flavor. Cook briefly to release the spices' aromas. Tomato base. Add chopped tomatoes or tomato paste, cooking until they break down and form a thick base. Lentils and chickpeas. Incorporate washed lentils and soaked chickpeas into the mixture. Stir well to combine. Broth addition. Pour in vegetable or chicken broth, bringing the soup to a simmer. Allow lentils and chickpeas to cook until tender. Seasoning. Season with salt, pepper, and additional spices to taste. Adjust the seasoning as needed. Fresh herbs. Add finely chopped fresh parsley and coriander to the simmering soup for a burst of freshness. Lemon juice. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into the Harira for a citrusy zing. Adjust the acidity according to your preference. Serve hot. Once the lentils and chickpeas are fully cooked, ladle the Harira into bowls and serve hot. Optionally, garnish with additional herbs or a drizzle of olive oil.